Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to block ads on Samsung Galaxy A73 5G. If you're using Samsung Galaxy A73 5G and now you want to block ads on your phone, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your phone settings, open it, and here just scroll down and you will get the Google settings. Tap on it, then select all services, and here you just have to look for ads. Just tap on it and here just select delete advertising ID, select it, then select it again, and after that just go back and here view the diagnostic settings, tap on it, and then you must have to disable the settings. In this way you can easily block ads on your phone, but the second way you just have to go for main settings. From main settings just look for security and privacy, and here just scroll down and you will get more privacy settings, and here you'll get the ads. Just tap on it and you can see we have just deleted advertising, and if you don't have delete you can easily delete it from here. And here just go back and just usage and diagnostics, select it, and here you must have to disable the settings. In this way you can easily block pop-up ads on your device. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.